Okay guys, so we got the following problem today. We have the 6th root of g to the power of 5 is supposed to equal g to the power of d. Now, how do we find letter d? Well, this is no easy task, guys. We're not going to do our classic leaving the letter alone because there's something else we need to realize. So we're going to solve for the letter d. I'm going to put it in red so you know what we're doing. To do this, guys, well, notice that this side doesn't have any of this nonsense. It doesn't have a 6th root. It doesn't have a number. The best way to solve this, guys, is by getting rid of this root because this one doesn't have a root. So how do we do this, guys? Very simple. If you don't remember from the notes above, got to read the notes, guys. The notes above said this 6th root can also be written as an exponent. If you don't remember this, it's g. Let me use a different color. It's going to be g to the 5th power still. But we can write it as an exponent to the power of 1 over 6. This fraction exponent is the same thing as the root. Remember that. And again, this still equals g to the power of d. We're almost there, guys. Now, one thing you notice is this one doesn't have parentheses. We don't want to have parentheses on this side either to make it easier to solve. Now, another property you know is when you have an exponent to the power of another exponent, the exponents get multiplied. So if we have 1 over 6 times 5, how do you multiply these? Well, first of all, they both need to be fractions. How do you turn the 5 into a fraction? Just put a 1 underneath, and you multiply straight. 1 times 5 is 5. 6 times 1 is 6. So we got ourselves our answer. Well, our exponent now is actually just g to the power of 5/6 equal to g to the power of letter d. Notice that we got rid of the roots. We got rid of the fractions. So now because the g's are the same and the exponent, there's only one of them, we know that letter d, is equal to 5/6. And that's basically what you need to do.